Speak using a stable tone, full stop. Scratch that. Scratch that. Scratch that. Speak using a stable tone, full stop. If you speak too loudly or too softly, comma, the software may not recognize what you are saying, full stop. Use a constant speed, comma, avoiding speeding up or slowing down, full stop. Speak without pausing between words, comma. The software is more likely to understand a sentence than a word in isolation, full stop. For instance, comma, the software finds it difficult to understand sentences like open double quotes. This pause is pause, another pause, example pause, full stop, close double quotes. Always work in a quiet environment so that the software can hear you with no background noise, full stop. Use a good quality microphone and try not to move it once you have adjusted it, full stop. Don't worry if you see that the words you say don't appear on screen immediately, full stop. Keep talking and pause at the end of every sentence, full stop. The software will release a text once it has finished processing your voice, full stop. Utter all words clearly, but don't separate the syllables within a word, full stop. To be submitted via the task 3.1 assignment box on the stream by 05/11/17, full stop. Make sure that you add all the files before clicking open double quotes, submit, close double quotes, and open double quotes, turn in, close double quotes. Go to sleep.